Hare Krishna, good evening, welcome all of you all for our Saturday evening Bhagavatam class. So we are in the midst of the 14th chapter. We have completed up to 14.13. So we'll take from 14. So we'll have a fast recap. Does anyone remember what we were discussing earlier?
Yudhishthir Maharaj was talking to Krishna and he was telling about all the bad omens.
No, Arjuna comes back and he is wondering why all these bad omens are happening. सब अशुभ दिख रहे हैं उसको. So he is wondering why all these अशुभ things are happening. And then he starts asking you, he asks Bhima, he asks Arjuna also, further he will ask Arjuna also. So this is all related to something inauspicious. And there can be no inauspicious thing in one's life other than separation from God. जीवन में अगर कोई इनऑस्पिशियस चीज हो सकता है तो वो आपका इट्स नॉट योर मनी, इट्स नॉट योर नियर वंस एंड डियर वंस, इट इज नॉट दैट. व्हाट इज वंस लॉर्ड इज सेपरेटेड फ्रॉम यू, इट इज और कुछ जीवन में बचा ही नहीं. इट इज ओनली इनऑस्पिशियस. प्लीज रीड 14.14 1.14.14. Yeah, louder, fast.
Just see, this pigeon is like a messenger of death. The shrieks of the owls and their rival crows make my heart tremble. It appears that they want to make a void of the whole universe.
Next.
Just see how the smoke encircles the sky. It appears that the earth and mountains are throbbing. Just hear the cloudless thunder and see the bolts from the blue.
Next.
The wind blows violently, blasting dust everywhere and creating darkness. Clouds are raining everywhere with bloody disasters.
Next.
The rays of the sun are declining and the stars appear to be fighting amongst themselves. Confused living entities appear to be ablaze and weeping.
Next.
Rivers, tributaries, ponds, reservoirs, and the mine are all perturbed. Butter no longer ignites fire. What is the extraordinary time? What is going to happen? The calves do not suck the teats of the cows, nor do the cows give milk. They are standing crying, tears in their eyes, and the bulls take no pleasure in the pasturing grounds. The deities seem to be crying in the temple, lamenting and perspiring. They seem about to leave. All the cities, villages, towns, gardens, mines, and hermitages are now devoid of beauty and bereft of all happiness. I do not know what sort of calamities are now awaiting us.
One more.
I think that all these earthly disturbances indicate some greater loss to the good fortune of the world. The world was fortunate to have been marked with the footprints of the lotus feet of the Lord. These signs indicate that this will no longer be.
So these are all Yudhishthira Maharaj's observation. कुछ तो गड़बड़ है. अभी तक you have not yet received the news that Krishna has left. He is just seeing all the ashubh cheez, bad omens he is seeing, and he is worried. That's why in the last 21 verse he says, I think all these earthly disturbances indicate some great loss to the good fortune of the world. And what can be the good fortune for this world? Not the GDP, not the revision, the tax brackets. What is going to be most auspicious is the Lord's presence in this world. And as long as the Lord is present in this world, there will be only auspiciousness. One may say, sir, so many bad things are happening, itna adhar pahad ho raha hai, ye ho raha hai. Yes, but for a devotee, he sees Lord in everything. We are seeing so many troubles, so many new viruses coming up, new viruses sweeping in Pune, and now everyone is jittered. So all this will keep on coming. But what does this mean? This only means this is Dukhalaya. But for a devotee, he knows, I am not a body, I am the soul. I have to die one day. One day I have to leave this body and take up a new body. So a devotee is not jittered about it. And he knows everything happens by the will of Lord. I always tell this joke. once a husband and wife were going in a boat. And suddenly there was a storm and the boat started dancing like Titanic. It was about to sink. So everyone was jittered, everyone is running. Even in see Titanic, everyone is running. Where they are going to run? पानी के बाहर तो कूद नहीं सकते. But everyone is running. ठीक. Even here the wife was also running, but the husband was a devotee, relaxed. Very coolly he was lying down. Suddenly his wife came and she got irritated. She said, how can you be so cool? You don't understand. The boat is about to sink. Everyone is panic stricken, and everyone doesn't know what is going to happen next. And you are just lying down. What? I am not worried. No, you are not worried. You don't understand. You don't care for us. Immediately, the husband took out a revolver from his pocket and kept it on his wife's temples. Said, "Tell me now, how do you feel?" The wife said, "What nonsense! We are all about to die, the boat is about to capsize, and you are keeping the revolver on my neck." He says, "Are you afraid or not?" Then, "No." "Why?" "I'm not afraid, this gun is loaded. It will fire, you will die." "No, I'm not afraid because I know the one who is holding the revolver is my husband. I know him." He said, "Don't worry, I also know who is holding the storm. I also know who is in control of the storm. So I am not worried." This is what makes one devotee different to a common man. इसके लिए डिवोटी को नाथ कहते हैं, और जो भक्ति जो भगवान का आश्रय में नहीं है उसको अनाथ. अनाथ वो नहीं जिसके माता पिता नहीं है. अनाथ वो है जिसके भगवान में श्रद्धा नहीं है, जिसने भगवान का शरण नहीं लिया. If one takes the shelter of the Lord, then he is no longer anath. Always Lord protects him. Lord takes care of him. There is a very funny, peculiar incident which happened once in Vrindavan. Krishnadas, one of the Ashtasakhas, you must have heard about it. His job was to get the water pot daily for Lord's Snan. So it was from a deep well. He used to go every time, and that too for Srinathji. So Govardhan mein jab Srinathji was in Govardhan, that time he used to go down, collect the water and come. And every day that was his seva. जब भी उसको चांस मिले वही, मतलब जब भी नहीं, it was his daily seva. Go, get the water pot, that बड़ा घड़ा, and he became old. सेवा करते करते बूढ़ा हो गया. तो फाइनली अपने भगवान स्वयं, श्रीनाथ जी ऑलवेज स्पीक्स टू हिज डिवोटीज. तो श्रीनाथ जी ने बोला, अरे कृष्णदास, तुम अभी बूढ़े हो गए हो, अब सेवा छोड़ दो. आजकल का कलयुग में सेवा लेते नहीं. दैट इज अ ट्रेजेडी ऑफ टुडेज डेट. पहले जमाने में भगवान आके पैर पकड़ता, बस सेवा छोड़ दो. सी दिस इज द, एंड प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड, बाय सेवा one can get God. One will definitely get God once he does seva, because seva means not just serving Lord, serving the devotees of the Lord, and one who serves the devotees of the Lord is more happier. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu says, गोपी भरतलु दास दास दासानु दास. दैट इज द प्रिंसिपल वी शुड हैव. हम भगवान, अगर कोई कहता है ना मैं भगवान का दास हूं, भगवान फॉलो नहीं करेंगे. बट इफ समवन सेज आई एम लॉर्ड्स डिवोटीज, जो भक्त हैं उन भक्त को सेवा करने वाला जो भक्त होता है, उस भक्त का जो सेवा करने वाला भक्त होता है, उस भक्त का सेवा करने वाला भक्त होता है, उसका मैं भक्त हूं, उसका मैं दास. आई एम हिज सर्वेंट, आई वांट टू सर्व हिम. देन यू आर guaranteed going to get devotion. So the first thing in devotional life is, if you want God to talk to you, serve the devotees. Do some menial seva. It may look, seva may look very, it's below my dignity to do. I am who I am. I am some great personality. You are a great personality, undoubtedly. Only with respect to this world. In the eyes of the Lord, you are just a small speck. बोलते ना, धूल का एक कण हो और कुछ नहीं हो, आपके औकात और कुछ नहीं। तो भगवान आए, बोले कृष्णदास अभी आपको उम्र हो गया, छोड़ो आप ये सेवा छोड़ो। बोला मैं अगर छोड़ दूं तो मुझे देख के जो बाकी लोग सेवा कर रहे हैं वो भी छोड़ देंगे, तो बड़ा झंझट है। सेवा में एक बड़ा झंझट है। अगर आपने सेवा छोड़ दिया तो the others who are seeing you serve, they will also back off immediately. The Lord said, ठीक है, fine, that's your option. I have told you, but you want to do, fine. And he was still continuing serving Lord. And this I am talking of Srinathji when he was in Gorg. Finally, one day morning when he went to take the water, he slipped, he fell in the well and he died. He died. Now, पूरा ब्रज में हाहाकार मच गया। भक्ति करके अकाल मृत्यु, अकाल मृत्यु, तो क्या फायदा? वो कुछ लोगों ने बाद में FSI ऐड कर दिया, भूत बन गए। गांव में भूत बनना बहुत बड़ी आसान है। आप जा रहे हो, सामान लेके जा रहे हो, पीछे से जोर का हवा का झोंका है, वही है। That's the notion, that fear factor always works. Just one strong breeze and your basket falls down or something, उसने धक्का मारा रहेगा, that is a ghost. And they all concluded in the entire Braj that Krishna Das has become a ghost. They are all worried. How come Krishna Das can become a devotee? First and foremost, a devotee is supposed to be dear. He should have a normal death. He is having a Akal Mrityu, or many times we will see Maharajas also having cancer and very deadly diseases. They die. Siddharth Maharaj over here, one of Prabhupada's disciples. You must have seen यहाँ पे Brajal Prabhu's office के सामने है ना, there is a small cabinet like thing. Prabhupada's dog बोल के लिखा है. He died out of liver cirrhosis. His stomach was so big. He asked the doctor, how many months? कितने महीने का बच्चे? मतलब that big, and he died. So it happens. So people will say क्या फायदा? अगर वैसे ही मरना है तो भक्त बन के we have an ideological setting कि भक्त मतलब no problems, everything will go nicely and there won't be any, and death will at least will be very nice, and that's one of the allurement which we get people when we get them to the class. We always tell them, you want to get out of the cycle of birth and death, you are at least at the time of death you can remember Lord and all that. And finally such a person having such a death, it was a big blemish which was happening. Finally they all were wondering what to do, and that time Vitthal Das Ji was the Gosai over there in the temple, and of course Vallabhacharya was already there. So finally when this spread, all the so-called Goswamis, that is from Rupa Goswami, Sanatana Goswami, Gopala Bhatta Goswami, your Harivansh, Hitavansh, Hita Harivansh Wala, and Haridas Thakur, everyone, they all said, we will go and ask Lord, how come this problem can be solved? Everyone were aware. See, the Goswamis were aware that he is not died untimely or he has not become a ghost. But we will have to get this blemish cleared, because otherwise आगे कोई भक्ति करेगा ही नहीं. वो भी ब्रज में ऐसा हो गया तो everyone started coming, pouring in. उस जमाने में तो ऑटो थे नहीं, तो चल के आ रहे थे. So they all came, and there Vitthal Das Ji was dressing up the Lord. भगवान खड़े हैं, गिरधारी खड़े हैं, गोवर्धनधारी खड़े हैं, and उनको ड्रेस अप करो, and देख रहे हैं पसीने छूट रहे हैं, कड़कड़ कांप रहे हैं. तो क्या हो गया भाई जे क्या हो गया आपको? Why are you shaking and what fear is there in your heart? Immediately Lord said, all are coming. Rupa Goswami, Sanatana Goswami and all the other personalities are coming. वेरी वेरी, साधुओं से आपको क्या डर? आप तो परम परमेश्वर भगवान हो, आपसे सब लोग डरते हैं, आप क्यों उनसे डर रहे हो? Why are you afraid? मैं उसके लिए नहीं डर रहा हूँ. अगर वो लोग साधु होते तो मैं नहीं डरता. वो लोग मेरे सहचरी हैं. Because who is Rupa Goswami? Rupa Manjari. Who is Gopal Bhatta Goswami? Who is this thing? Your Vallabhacharya is none other than Yashoda Maiya. Your Haridas Thakur is none other than Lalita Sakhi. They all these people only come as Goswamis, you know, all the top level Goswamis. They are not ordinary beings like us. तो ये सब है, सहचरी है, उनसे क्या हमें बात? बिकॉज दे हैव द राइट टू फाइट एंड टॉक. पचित अपना ललिता और विशाखा सखी तो कृष्ण को झाड़ देंगे, मार भी देंगे, मतलब, एंड दे हैव द राइट. तो दे आर ऑल इन टेंशन, क्या करूँगा? तो दैट टाइम लॉर्ड वाज इन टेंशन. लॉर्ड सेड, अब रुको, अच्छा ठीक है, मैं देखता हूँ, आप टेंशन मत लो, लेट मी ड्रेस यू. नहीं, मैं खुद पहन लूंगा, तू जाओ. व्हाट डिड लॉर्ड से? मैं खुद ड्रेसअप हो जाऊंगा, तुम जाओ. कहाँ जाऊं? सब राधा कुंड में आके जमा हो गया, अभी वहां से यहाँ आने वाले. सो यू ट्राई टू फिनिश द मैटर देयर ओनली, बिकॉज दे आर ऑल एंग्री, दे कम टू फाइट विथ मी, आई डोंट वांट दैट. मतलब लफड़ा वहीं पे निपटा देना. तो ही सेड विद द विठलदास. एंड भगवान बोले, मैं रेडी हो जाऊंगा, आप चिंता मत. आधा कपड़ा पहना, आधा बाजूबंद पहना, फिर भी भगवान ने भेज दिया. दे केम डायरेक्टली ओवर टू, he came to Radha Kundi, met all those people. जिसने में हरिदास ठाकुर ने बोला, क्या भगवान को आधा तैयारी करके छोड़ के आगे? That is their level of devotion. या हम हमारा ही बन है, भगवान का तो दूर की बात, हमारे. So that level, they were in that zone. So they said, आप यहाँ आ गए, हाँ नहीं क्या है, ऐसा बात निकला है, ये वो सब ठीक है, आप इधर ही हमसे बात करोगे या हमको वहां लेके जाओगे? तो चलो जय जी, चलो सब कुछ. तो सब ऑल द दिग्गज, रूप गोस्वामी, सनातन गोस्वामी, हरिदास ठाकुर, देन हित हरिवंश, देन योर व्हाट इज गोपाल भट्ट गोस्वामी, ऑल दीस पीपल, ऑल जितने गोस्वामी सब गए, सब भगवान को देख के एकदम खुश हो गए, एकदम. थोड़ा देर के लिए देयर वाज नाइस पीस. एंड देन व्हेन Vithaldas ji was standing on the side, Haridas Thakur went and just looked at God, gazed at God, and then he turned and he said, we have to wait for 2 घड़ी. 1 घड़ी is 24 minutes. तो 2 घड़ी तक बैठना, खड़ा रहना है, हमको जवाब मिलेगा. तो खड़े हो, 2 घड़ी के लिए खड़े हो. इतने में थोड़ी देर बाद एक कान्हा नाम का एक ग्वालवाल, जो उस मंदिर का, जो ऊपर, जो जतिरपुरा में ऊपर जो मंदिर है, अभी तो नहीं, पहले जो था, जब श्रीनाथ जी वहां विराजमान थे, तो ही यूज्ड टू टेक केयर ऑफ ऑल द काउस, फॉर द मिल्क यूज्ड टू बी यूज्ड फॉर द लॉर्ड. तो द ग्वालवाल के एंड ही सेड, देखो क्या हो गया, क्या चमत्कार हो गया. क्या चमत्कार? ग्रेट मिरेकल हैज हैपेंड, आई जस्ट सॉ कृष्णदास. ये लोग और डर गए, भूत का थियरी कंफर्म हो जाएगा. नहीं, कृष्णदास दिखे मेरे को, एंड ही वॉज लुकिंग यंगर देन वॉट ही व्हेन ही डाइड. वॉट ही वॉज लुकिंग एट द टाइम ऑफ डेथ, उससे कई साल यंग लग रहे थे. अच्छा क्या बोले? बोला, मुझे बोले कि मैं सब लोग का ये मन में जो वहम है निकाल दो, मैं अब भगवान का परिकर हो चुका हूं. आई एम बिकम हिज पर्सनल सर्वेंट एंड ही हैज अलाउड मी टू डू गोचरण लीला. आई पार्टिसिपेट इन लॉर्ड्स गोचरण लीला. बोला, मानेगा कौन? प्रूफ. मटेरियल वर्ल्ड मीन्स प्रूफ, विदाउट प्रूफ नॉट. He said, don't worry, I'll give you a proof. Go to my place, my house, and remove my asan. And below the asan you dig, you will get gold coins. So immediately they said, chalo, let's go. All the Goswami's went directly to Krishnadas' house. They went, they saw the asan, they removed the asan, they dug and they got gold coins. ये कोई और नहीं बता सकते, only Krishnadas can say. And they were confirmed. And then he says, oh, one minute, उसमें भी condition लगाया है. He has asked you to use the major part of this gold for the Lord's ornaments, and जो थोड़ा बहुत बचे ना, उसे बहुत बड़ा भंडारा बनाना और सबको खिलाना, सबको जिमाना. तो this is how even in place like Braj, devotees sometimes Brahmit. They get illusion by, oh, the existence of God, proof of God. Whenever there is a time of catastrophe or a problem, people wonder, क्या मेरी भक्ति में कुछ कम ही है, या मेरे भक्ति में भगवान है भी या नहीं? Am I wasting my time going to the temple, listening to class? The only positive thing is I eat prasad, that's the only thing. The rest everything is a waste. It should not be like that. That is a time when Lord's existence is proven time and again. So that is why these inauspiciousness clearly indicate that Lord is departing from the world. This is the top priority why this is happening. And why people in general are not able to attach themselves with God. What is the problem? Problem का स्पेशली मैं कुछ लोगों को बोलता हूँ, अता जी भक्ति लगाओ, मन लगाओ, भगवान में मन लगाओ, एंड पीपल जनरली कम एंड से, प्रभु जी भगवान में मन नहीं लगता. कॉमन प्रॉब्लम किसी के साथ होता है या नहीं होता? भगवान में मन नहीं लगता. इसके लिए दो आंसर्स. आंसर वन, अगर कोई कहता है मेरा मन नहीं लगता, मेरा मन नहीं लगता, अच्छा तो मन किस में लगता है उसमें लगाओ. The other priority is किस में लगता है उधर लगा. आपका मन किस में लगेगा? अदर देन भक्ति किस पे लगता है? जो भी भौतिक चीजों में लगता है, चलो माता जी को रसगुल्ले में लगा. 1 रसगुल्ला, 2 रसगुल्ला, 4 रसगुल्ला, 5 रसगुल्ला, 10, 20, फिर क्या बोलते हैं? मन तो लगा कैसे? अगर भर जाता है तो लगाया कहां? लगाओ तो वैसा लगना चाहिए जो भरे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, फॉर अ बॉय who is not married and a girl who is not married, for them always eager to meet. The boy is eager to meet the girl is eager to meet the boy. कितना बार भी मिलते हैं, रोज शाम को मिलते हैं, फिर भी they want to meet. But the day get married, they start searching for a lawyer. Just a part, but what I'm trying to say is, भौतिक दुनिया में आपने मन लगा के देख लिया, इतना मन लगा नहीं, और उस पे लगाने के लिए अब आपके पास ऑप्शन क्या है? उस पे लगाना पड़ेगा, तब जाके आपका मन बैठेगा. एंड भगवान के ऊपर एक बार मन बैठा तो देन भगवान स्टार्ट्स प्लान बी. एंड व्हाट इज प्लान बी? What is plan B? He will make deliberately, he will send Yogamaya's powers. कुछ ना कुछ कारण निकलेगा. कोई शादी में बुलाना पड़ेगा आपको, इधर बुलाएंगे, इधर आपको अच्छा घूमने के लिए जगह पे जाना पड़ेगा. Some Yogamaya will test your मन. Lord doesn't test anything else. आपका मन भगवान पे लगा कि नहीं. And that is where I'll tell you the whole problem lies. So there are, first आपका मन भौतिक चीजों में लगाया, आपने ट्राई किया, लगा नहीं. सेकेंड थिंग, यू ट्राई टू अप्लाई इट ऑन गॉड. थोड़ा थोड़ा लगते लगते टैंजेंशियल फोर्स लगता है. हाउ इज अ टैंजेंट? दिस इज सर्कल, दिस इज अ टैंजेंट, राइट? टच होके निकल जाता. इसके लिए बाकी सब लोग बाद में मंदिर में घूमते रहते हैं. क्यों? एक बार चखा है, बट एंटर नहीं. He has not yet gone inside. That actual rasa is not yet got. So immediately it is said that instead of putting in this thing, put it on Lord. Because putting on the worldly matters also, मन भर जाता है या मन उधर भी नहीं लग रहा है ढंग से. आप चैनल देखते हो, टीवी चैनल देखते हो, अगर मन लगता है तो एक चैनल देखना चाहिए. जो आपका पसंद, कुछ नहीं, ज्योग्राफी चैनल देख लो, डिस्कवरी चैनल देख लो, कोई हास्य सीरियल वाला चैनल देख लो, कोई भी देख लो, आप बदलते क्यों? खचक 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 सीरियल भी देखते हो तो ये सीरियल वहाँ नो, कभी भगवान मतलब कोशिश करेंगे एक आंख एक कान में, दूसरा आंख दूसरे इसमें, एक कान से एक सीरियल सुने, दूसरे कान से दूसरा सीरियल सुने, so many things are attractive, but in the end nothing is fixed. So what you fix is fix your mind on the Lord. And then Acharya say one more thing. What is that? If you want to put the mind on the Lord, there are two conditions to that. One is tark mat lagao. Don't put your extra logic. Lord says in the Bhagavad Gita, अज्ञानश्च, अश्रद्धानश्च, संशयात्मा, तीन क्वालिटीज दे रहे हैं. अज्ञानी है, अज्ञानश्च, अश्रद्धा, श्रद्धा भी नहीं है उसके पास, एंड थर्ड संशयात्मा, विनश्यति, he goes in ruin. ना अयम लोको अस्ति, ना परो, ना सुखम संशयात्मना. लॉर्ड क्लियरली सेज, ना इस जग में, ना इस लोक में, ना मृत्यु के बाद भी उसका कोई गति नहीं है, ना सुखम, ना सुख मिलेगा उस व्यक्ति. लॉर्ड क्लियरली सेज दिस. एंड इमीडिएटली नेक्स्ट वर्स ही सेज, श्रद्धावान लभते ज्ञानम. जो श्रद्धावान रहता है उसको ज्ञान मिलता है. और पहले क्या बोला? अज्ञान, अश्रद्धान से, और वर्ष पार्ट उसमें संशय. संशय इज वर्स्ट. जस्ट इमेजिन, ये तीन क्वालिटी के साथ आदमी शादी करता है. कैन ही सर्वाइव? कैन द मैरिज सर्वाइव? एक तो अज्ञानी है, दूसरा श्रद्धा भी नहीं है कि हाँ बीवी का मुझे ढंग से सेवा करना है, और ऊपर से संशय उसका, हाँ ये अफेयर रहेगा, कुछ ना कुछ बंटन के जा रही है, कुछ तो लफड़ा है, सोचते रहेगा. वो व्यक्ति शादी भी नहीं निभा सकते, भौतिक दुनिया में भी नहीं टिक सकते. व्हाट टू टॉक ऑफ द स्पिरिचुअल वर्ल्ड, मटेरियल वर्ल्ड ही कैन नॉट सर्वाइव. सो दैट इज व्हाई इट इज सेड. लॉर्ड सेज इन द वेरी नेक्स्ट वर्स ही सेज, श्रद्धावान लभते ज्ञानम. जो श्रद्धावान है उसको ज्ञान मिलता है. श्रद्धावान लभते ज्ञानम तत्पर समयति इंद्रिय, तुरंत ही अपनी इंद्रियों पे वश कर ले. ही कंट्रोल्स हिज इंद्रियां, सेंसेस. ज्ञानम लभते परम शांति. जो ज्ञान है उससे क्या मिलता है? परम शांति, एक्चुअल पीस मिलता है. असिरेण अधिगच्छति, लास्ट लाइन इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. असिरेण अधिगच्छति, बहुत जल्दी मिलता है उसको. ऐसा नहीं कि अभी मैंने स्टार्ट किया है तो कुछ समय बाद मिलेगा. आपने श्रद्धा आज लगाया, इमीडिएट क्या होता है ना, वो कोई स्कीम रहता है ना, आज रात से चालू हो जाएगा. हाँ, कुछ है ना आपका कंटिन्यू. सो दैट इज व्हाई हियर दिस युधिष्ठिर महाराज इज exhibiting the quality of a devotee. A devotee is always fearless because he knows God is there. No doubt, God is there now also. But that, the distinguishing is, he is trying to show how bad omens are moving around, and that is the reason why he is feeling afraid of Lord's separation from this world. Please continue.
O Brahmana, Shaunaka, why Maharaj Yudhishthira, observing the inauspicious signs on the earth at that time, was thus thinking to himself, Arjuna came back from the city of the Yadus, Dwarka.
जैसे ये सब बात कर रहे हैं, सोच रहे हैं कि भाई ये सब गड़बड़ हो रहा है, अर्जुना वहां पहुंचता है. And now what he asked is more important. Please read.
When he bowed at his feet, the king saw that his dejection was unprecedented. His head was down, and tears glided from his lotus eyes.
So he saw him dejected, crying, and in a bad shape. Yeah.
Seeing Arjuna pale due to heartfelt anxieties, the king, remembering the indications of the sage Narada, questioned him in the midst of friends. Maharaj Yudhishthira said, "My dear brother, please tell me whether our friends and relatives such as Madhu, Bhoja, Dashra, Arha, Satvata, Andaka, and the members of Yadu and Yadu family are all passing their days in happiness.
Continue.
Is my respectable grandfather Sursena in a happy mood, and are my maternal uncle Vasudev and his younger brothers all doing well?
So he is asking about the welfare of all the Yadu dynasty. सब लोग सुखी हैं, बराबर हैं, no problem, because he knows these omens means indicating something, somewhere something is wrong. Please.
His 7 wives, headed by Devaki, are all sisters. Are they and their sons and daughters-in-laws all happy?
So here please understand, Vasudeva has got 7 wives.
And all are sisters.
And headed by
Devaki.
Devaki. And she was headed by Devaki. That is why when they say na Rohini गर्भ में संकर्षण चले गए and all that. So this is all proved कि भाई Vasudeva didn't have one wife, he had 7 wives. Please continue.
Ugrasen, whose son was the mischievous Kamsa, and his younger brother still living, are Hridika and his son Kritvarma happy, are Apura, Jayanta, Gada, Sarana, and Satrujit all happy. How is Balrama, the personality of Godhead and the protector of devotees?
Continue.
How is Pradyumna, the great general of the Rinsi family? Is he happy? And is Aniruddha, the plenary expansion of the personality of Godhead, faring well?
पूरा मतलब एक एक आदमी का नाम लेके पूछ रहे हैं कि भाई वो ठीक है, वो ठीक है, वो ठीक है, पूछ रहे हैं. Please continue.
Are all the chieftain sons of Lord Krishna, such as Susena, Charudesna, Samba, the son of Jamanti, and Rishabha, along with their sons, all doing well?
Yes.
Also, Shrutadeva, Uddhava, and others, Nanda, Sunanda, and others, leaders of liberated souls, who are constant companions of the Lord, are protected by Lord Balrama and Krishna. Are they all doing well in their respective functions? Do they, who are all eternally bound in friendship with us, remember our welfare?
Continue.
Is Lord Krishna the Supreme Personality of Godhead, who gives pleasure to the cows, the senses, and the brahmanas, who is very affectionate towards his devotees, enjoying the pious assembly at Dwarkapuri, surrounded by friends?
Now finally, after asking about all the relatives, now he is asking about Krishna's welfare. Continue.
The original personality of Godhead, the enjoyer, and Balrama, the primeval Lord Ananta, are staying in the ocean of the Yadu dynasty for the welfare, protection, and general progress of the entire universe, and the members of the Yadu dynasty, being protected by the arms of the Lord, are enjoying life like the residents of the spiritual sky.
The opulence of Dwarka is supposed to be at par to Vaikuntha. So spiritual sky is mentioned as at par because no one was having any problem over there. The whole, we can say the entire area was, it's like a fort inside the sea. No one can come and disturb because Krishna was fed up of Jarasan because he was coming every time and troubling in Mathura. So finally he said, hell with you, तुमको बाद में मारूंगा, महाभारत युद्ध में मारूंगा, भीम मारेगा, मैं नहीं मारूंगा, भीम मारेगा तुम. So he said, he parted ना, तोड़ कर कर डाल दिया. So he said, अभी मैं भागता हूँ यहाँ से, and he went away from there. And he went away from there. Where to go? Went to Dwarka. Yes, continue.
Simply by administering comforts at the lotus feet of the Lord, which is the most important of all services, the queens at Dwarka, headed by Satyabhama, induced the Lord to conquer the demigods. Thus the queens enjoy things which are prerogatives of the wives of the controller of thunderbolts.
This is referring to the Parijat Leela. When Satyabhama went with Lord to meet Indra, Indra's mother, Aditi, when Narkasura was killed. After killing Narkasura, he went there. Because Narkasura ने Aditi का कुछ सामान भी चुरा लिया, तो उसको मिलने देंगे, हाँ, बाली, खान की बाली, तो उसको वापस देने के लिए गए, तो इसके लिए सब जगह पत्नी को लेके नहीं जाना चाहिए, तो केयरफुल। तो वहां गई, वहां जाके सची माता को मिली, सची दैट इज इंद्रास वाइफ, एंड वहां पे देखा पारिजात ट्री। वहां कुछ नहीं बोला, घर में आने के बाद बोला आई वांटेड द पारिजात ट्री। एंड लॉर्ड इज ऑल्सो एग्जिबिटिंग लाइक एन ऑर्डिनरी मैन। जैसे बीबी के रिक्वेस्ट पे ऑर्डिनरी मैन क्या करेगा, जाके लेके आएगा, ट्राई टू गेट इट। लॉर्ड वाज also did the same thing. He went. Indra said नहीं, Indra was also showing colors. अरे ये सुप्रीम पर्सनालिटी, नहीं 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 मैं नहीं दूंगा, दिस इज ओनली फॉर हेवन, दिस विल नॉट गो टू द अर्थ। Immediately Lord fought with them and bought the parijat tree and brought it over here. So that is what is highlighted in this shloka, कि भाई जो इंद्रा की वाइफ was enjoying that parijat tree, the parijat flowers, that these women, these ladies of Krishna, these wives of Krishna were enjoying in Dwara. Continue.
The great heroes of the Yadu dynasty, being protected by the arms of Lord Krishna, always remain fearless in every respect, and therefore their feet trample over the Sudharma assembly house, which the best demigods deserved, but which was taken away from them.
Sudharma is a court, main court, which is there in heaven. भगवान ने बोला तुमको जरूरत नहीं, मेरे द्वारकावासीस को जरूरत है, वो भी लेके आ गया। And so the Dwarkavasis were living in, were using the Sudharma court, but it was actually supposed to be in heaven. वो भी यहाँ लेके आ गया। Please.
My brother Arjuna, please tell me whether your health is all right. You appear to have lost your bodily luster. Is this due to other disrespecting and neglecting you because of your long stay at Dwarka?
So here, now the conversation takes a different turn. I have already told all of you. Bhagavad Gita और रामायण, महाभारत का भाग है भगवद गीता, श्रीमद् भागवतम, any other text you take. Basically, these itihasas are only meant to give you real understanding of the Vedas. वेदों का सार है ये भागवतम, भगवद गीता, रामायण, all are, जहां पे सब जगह का प्रसंग जो है, that incident और जो परिस्थिति जो निर्माण हो रही है, वो हमारे जीवन में भी निर्माण होती है. Those similar type of situations happen in our lives also. And how does this situation come and how they are handled is explained very nicely by these Shastra. So here, indirectly, not just Yudhishthira Maharaj is asking Arjuna, it is something for us to learn. Very important, please understand, this is going to be very, I think today lecture will go for 10 minutes extra, but we have to understand. We will complete this chapter today, but there are very important things to be understood. First and foremost, if, for example, here let's take this example. You appear to have lost your bodily luster. So Arjuna's very lustrous, great personality. Is this due to others disrespecting and neglecting you for the long stay at Dwarka? There's an old English proverb, familiarity breeds contempt. It's an old English proverb. आप ज्यादा किसी के साथ क्लोज रहोगे तो शायद आपके साथ डिसरेस्पेक्ट हो सकता है. पीपल में डिसरेस्पेक्ट यू, दे मे नॉट गिव यू द एक्चुअल वैल्यू. तो कभी कभी आई ऑलवेज देयर इज अ ब्यूटिफुल पंचतंत्र का स्टोरी है, बहुत अच्छा स्टोरी है. It said once, sometimes Buddha is used, sometimes Buddha means it's not necessarily not Lord Buddha, it can be a person who is intelligent is also called as Buddha. So once one Buddha was going through a village and the whole village was terrified. सब लोग डरे हुए. क्या? एक सांप था, उस रास्ते से जाने को नहीं देता. That was the main artery road to the connecting to the village everywhere. And उस रोड से जाने के लिए वो सांप बीच में आ जाता. So everyone was tired, fed up. तो उन्होंने जाके उस बुद्धा को बोला, दैट इज साधु को बोला कि महाराज ये सांप जो है हमको परेशान कर, वी कांट लिव, कभी बाहर निकले डस ले मार जाए, ठीक, तो मैं बात कर, तो ही वेंट एंड टॉक टू दैट snake. You are so, why are you biting? You have venom and it's good, but why are you biting innocent people for nothing? You should not bite. And he gave some, you're not the body or the soul, ये सब समझाया, भगवत गीता क्लास लिया उसके लिए. Then the सांप said, okay fine, I will not bite. And then after he went, the people realized that the snake is not biting. So he went, and then after few months when he was coming back, so he had to pass through the same village. So उसने देखा, let me see now what is the position of the snake. There he went and saw the snake was bleeding, and बच्चे लोग ने उसको ऐसा पकड़ के पटक रहे हैं, like they're thrashing the snake, and the snake is bleeding and its body is cut. Horrible situation. So the sadhu went and said, what happened to you? Well, last time when I was going, you were sitting here like a king, and now what has happened? It's all because of you. The snake said, it is all because of you. आपके वजह से मेरी हालत ऐसी हो गई. Asked how? आपका हालत ऐसा हो गया? हर कोई, किसी को पता है मैं नहीं काटूंगा, तो कोई लात मार के जाता है, तो कोई पत्थर मार के जाता है, तो कोई डंडा मारता है, बच्चे लोग आके खेलते हैं, and I am really tortured. You just told me, don't bite. Immediately the sadhu said, yes, I told you not to bite, but I didn't tell you not to. अपना ताकत दिखाओ, but उसको अमल में लाना, you don't have to execute, you don't have to bite everyone, but you could have hissed. That hissing sound से ही लोग, अरे बाबा सांप है, भाग जाओ. That fear has to be there. So similarly, here he is asking, is your body luster lost because of others' disrespect and neglecting you because of your long stay in द्वारका? बहुत दिन से आप द्वारका में रुके हो और अब आपका पहले जैसा वैल्यू नहीं. कोई 2 दिन के लिए आप जाओ किसी घर पे, बड़ा हलवा पूरी सब खिलेगा. 4 दिन 5वां दिन का भी आपका टिकट है, 5वां दिन नहीं है, मैं बना के देता हूँ. So किसी में तरह आपको, आप परेशान हो जाओगे. So you lose your value. The first day when you came, आवा भगत आपको 4 टाइम नहीं 6 टाइम खाना खिलाएंगे, बट वही व्यक्ति का 4 दिन बाद अनादर हो जाता है. So is it because of that? So this is being taught to us, worldly way of behavior. Beyond a level, don't stay at someone's place or someone's house. Beyond a level, refrain yourself. Please continue, Prabhu.
Has someone addressed you with unfriendly words or threatened you, could you not give charity to one who asked, or you not keep your promise to someone?
These are also things which are for our day-to-day activity. We have to understand. So indirectly, see, when Bharata comes back and he meets his mother Kaikeyi, and he sees the whole kingdom is like in gloomy condition. He doesn't know, अभी तक दशरथ मर गया उसको मालूम नहीं. And see the प्रारब्ध of दशरथ महाराज, 4 पुत्र होने के बाद भी तेल के डब्बे में डाल के रखा हुआ. He didn't get बोलते हैं अंतिम संस्कार नहीं हुआ, तेल के डब्बे में डाल दिया. 2 बेटे तो चले गए थे और 2 नहीं थे, आने तक तेल के डब्बे में डाल के रखा था, vat of oil. So this is the प्रारब्ध कर्म of दशरथ महाराज. 4 बेटे, वो भी साधारण बेटे नहीं, supreme personality of Godhead, but still. So what does these all say? It is a lesson for us. Don't think what is in store for you as per your karmas. You will never know. So here Lord is trying to, Yudhishthira Maharaj is trying to say, किसी ने आपको डरा धमका दिया है. Second, could you not keep up your promise? आपने किसी को वादा किया और आपने वो वादा को नहीं निभाया. आज के कलयुग में बात अलग है. मैंने कितना चीटिंग किया है इसके ऊपर आदमी ही फाइंड्स ग्लोरी. मैंने इतने लोगों को मैंने बेवकूफ बनाया, ये इतने लोगों को मैंने चीट किया. बट दिस इज हाउ ए जेंटलमैन शुड बी, नॉट अ मैन. ए जेंटलमैन शुड बी. ए जेंटलमैन शुड फील no sad, or he should lose his charm if he is not able to keep up his promise or even give charity. किसी को चैरिटी नहीं दे पाया, ये भी अभागा व्यक्ति होगा, वो चैरिटी नहीं दे पाया. एंड दैट टू फॉर अ क्षत्रिय, फॉर अ वैश्य, चैरिटी इज मस्ट. तो और किसी ने मांगा हो नहीं दिया, दैट्स वेरी बैड. सो दीज आर ऑल, you can understand, these are all given in Manu Samhita. Manu Samhita, it's given how मनुष्य को, मनु means मनुष्य का जो हेड है, उन्होंने दिखाया कि मनुष्य को जीते जीते कैसे जीना चाहिए. So first and foremost, threaten you. Did someone threaten you or use unfriendly words? And last but not the least, could you not give charity to someone else who asked? किसी ने मांगा और आप नहीं दे पाए. हम लोग तो बड़े स्टाइल में बोले हैं, मैंने तो उसको भगा दिया. You are in that category, you are supposed to feel bad. अरे मैं उसको दे नहीं पाया, उसने मांगा और मैं दे नहीं पाया. ये बात अलग है. आज के जमाने में मांगने वाला भी पहले जैसा सार्थक नहीं है ना. इज नॉट व्हाट यू से स्टे ट्रू टू हिज वर्ड्स. पहले मांगता था आदमी, वाकई में मांगता था. पहले आजकल मांगने वाला भी करप्ट है और देने वाला सुपर करप्ट है. Okay, or keep up his promise. If someone is not able to keep up his promise, then he will fall down. Please continue, Prabhu.
You are always the protector of the deserving living beings, such as brahmanas, children, cows, women, and the diseased. Could you not give them protection when they approached you for shelter?
First duty of a Kshatriya. To give protection is the duty of a Kshatriya. And अगर कोई व्यक्ति अपना ड्यूटी सही ढंग से नहीं निभाता, a Brahmana doesn't do his duty of giving knowledge properly, then he has to be ashamed. He should not feel great proud or should not feel happy. He should feel ashamed. अरे मैं अपना काम ढंग से नहीं कर रहा. We take great pleasure in cheating. No, cheating is a short term gain, long term loss. Short term you will gain, but you will lose long term. So could you not give them protection? To whom? Children, cow, brahmanas, women, and the deceased. They are the people who always require protection. And Kshatriya dharma. तो अगर तुमने अपना धर्म नहीं निभाया, तभी भी तुमको you will have to lose your luster and your vigor. Okay, 2 more verses completed.
Have you contacted a woman of impeachable character, or have you not properly treated a deserving woman, or have you been defeated on the way by someone who is inferior or equal to you?
This is another important thing. People have, nowadays we have got, used a nice word, extramarital affair. And what is that heading to? Is that supposed to be good? See how he is saying, or going to some low grade women, going to prostitutes, something of that sort. So what he is saying, have you contacted a woman of impeachable character? एक शूद्र, मतलब एक निम्न जात की औरत के साथ, that itself is enough to kill your powers, your character assassination. This is actual character assassination. This is actual character assassination. When you are already contacting a low grade personality or a low grade opposite woman, and you are losing your charm, or have you not properly treated a deserving woman? Second, if it is a chaste woman or a chaste wife or a chaste woman, she has to be treated properly. But one should never be in connection with the. That is why Prabhupada always says, no meat eating, no intoxication, no illicit sex, no gambling. This is illicit sex. So one should be away from all those things. सो इम्पीचेबल कैरेक्टर से दूर रहना है. और अगर कोई अच्छी औरत है, डिजर्विंग लेडी है, तो उसको सेवा, उसको सर्व करना, उसको संभालना है. और हैव यू बीन डिफीटेड और एनी वे बाय समवन हु इज इंफीरियर और इक्वल टू यू. किसी से आपसे जो नीचा दिखती है, उससे आप अगर हार गए हो, तो आपको दुखी या यू कैन बी विदाउट योर शाइन. नेक्स्ट,
Have you not taken care of old men and boys who deserve to dine with you? Have you left them and taken your meals alone? Have you committed some unpardonable mistake which is considered to be abominable?
Actually, by these questions, what is Yudhishthira trying to teach us? What we should do, what we should follow. Here, in those days, see again, let's understand, Kali Yuga is a different ball game altogether. Earlier days, if someone in a grahastha cooks food in his house, he is supposed to go out of the house and shout for 3 times. If there is anyone hungry, please come. And he is supposed to feed. Today आज आप गलती से करके देखो, बाजू वाला तक आ जाएगा. So the problem is in Kali Yuga there is a degree of degradation, but this is what the Shastra says. So here also he is saying, have you not taken care of men, boys who deserve to dine with you? Have you left them and taken your meals alone? Sorry to say, today we are doing the same thing. हम लोग कोई गेस्ट आने वाला, आने के पहले खा लेते, आ जाएगा फिर कौन बनाएगा, उनके लिए कौन बनाते बैठेगा, पहले खा लेते, फिर हम लोग खाते बैठे. So problems. I mean, what I mean to say is, definitely we are not, low thinkable personalities, but the point here is, if someone eats alone without sharing, it is also a sin. It is also a sin. Have you committed some unpardonable mistake which is considered to be abominable? Abominable, no meditating, no intoxication, no illicit sex and gambling. All these are abominable acts. And have you done that? That is why are you suffering? Okay, the last verse, please take.
Or is it that you are feeling empty for all time because that you might have lost your most intimate friend, Lord Krishna? Oh my brother Arjuna, I can think of no other reason for your becoming so dejected.
So या तो व्यक्ति गलत कार्य करे, doing a wrong activity, he will feel bad, or his separation from God. That is why last he is asking this question. He didn't ask first, what is the problem with Krishna? Are you separate from him? He is asking, or is it that you are feeling empty for all the time because you might have lost your most intimate friend, Lord Krishna. And then he finally concludes by saying, oh my brother Arjuna, I can think of no other reason. इसके आगे मुझे और कोई कारण ही नहीं दिख रहा है जिसकी वजह से आप दुखी हो या आप एकदम you are down or you are not looking bright and shining. Why you are not looking bright and shining? Because you are are you done all these bracket activities. He has not allowed Arjuna to answer. अर्जुन ने जवाब नहीं दिया, ये सिर्फ सवाल पूछा है. और इस सवाल में हमको पता चलता है कि हमको भी क्या धर्म करना है. What are the activities we are supposed to do so that we also do not come in a repenting situation. These are all repenting situations. Separation from God for us will be when we don't chant, when we are busy in the mobile in the class. During the class, when someone is busy scrolling the mobile, that means what? He finds that to be more important than the Hari Katha. हरि कथा से ज्यादा अगर मोबाइल इंपॉर्टेंट है तो फिर क्लास में क्यों आना, बाहर ही, दैट इज बेटर. यहाँ पे भी आके अगर घुमाना है तो फिर व्हाट इज द यूज? इट इज लाइक शक्कर को पानी में घुलना चाहिए. अगर 1 चम्मच शक्कर इस सागर में डाल दिया तो कितना टाइम लगेगा घुलने को? फ्यू मिली सेकेंड्स. और उसी शक्कर को प्लास्टिक का थैली में डाल दिया और उसी सागर में डाल दिया, घुलेगा? Why? It has insulated itself from the water. Similarly, one who does activities by which, though like the sugar being inside the entire ocean, that sugar does not dissolve. Similarly, that person, though he comes to a temple, he will come to satsang, but still his mind in somewhere else. That is a big criminal wastage of time, money and energy. एंड लास्ट बट नॉट द लीस्ट, आई थिंक ऑफ नो अदर रीजन, बिकॉज भगवान से विमुख व्यक्ति ही दुखी हो सकता है, जो भगवान से दूर हो गया हो. नाउ हियर देयर इज एन इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग. व्हाट इज दूर होना? पहले पास हो और फिर दूर होना. प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड दिस, देयर इज अ डिफरेंस. कुछ लोग हैं जो भगवान के बारे में अज्ञान, दे हैव नो नॉलेज अबाउट गॉड, नो प्रॉब्लम. वो अपने दुनिया में खुश, अपने को देख के वो पागल बोलेंगे, हम उनको देख के पागल बोलेंगे. वो अपने दुनिया में सही, हम अपनी दुनिया में सही. However, when someone has tasted God, tasted bhakti, tasted some spiritual path, and after tasting, he goes back to the material world, then his position will also be like this. He will be without any shine, without any progress in life. So, these are all actually not questions asked to Arjuna, it is actually for us. कि भाई क्या, कैसे व्यक्ति को जीवन जीना चाहिए और कैसे व्यक्ति को भगवान से गलती से भी थोड़े भी वक्त के लिए विमुख नहीं होना चाहिए. कम से कम भगवान का नाम जपना चाहिए, कम से कम भगवान का सेवा करना चाहिए, भगवान का अच्छा भोग लगा के भगवान खाओ खिलाओ. भुंगते भोजेते चेव, लॉर्ड से इन द नेक्टर ऑफ इंस्ट्रक्शन लॉर्ड रिलीजेस, नो, इनवाइट डिवोटीज एंड फीड देम, और you go and have, or invite others and feed them, but do some activity, be in the circle of devotees. If you are away from the circle of devotees, staying in the circle of non-devotees, your mind is definitely going to go for a degradation, because मन जो है ना, आपके साथ आपका मन भी जाता है और आपका मन वहां देखता है, अरे वाह ये सुखी है, भक्ति नहीं कर रहा है, ये सुखी है. मन आपको कन्विंस करने लगता है भक्ति मत कर, वेस्ट है. ये देख, he is more happier materialistically. हम वही, our comparison is only materialistically, but there is an inner happiness which you can experience only when you are in one connection with God. When you are in one connection, you will feel an internal happiness which a moneyed person cannot show it to you. The person with a moneyed connection, he may show his, ऐश्वर्य. उसके पास, पैसे वाले के पास क्या ऐश्वर्य, ऐश्वर्य दिखा सकते हैं, अच्छी बात, भगवान ने अच्छा कृपा किया, उसको ऐश्वर्य है, बट क्या उसके पास आनंद है? दैट आनंद, सच्चित आनंद का जो आनंद है, वो ओनली उस व्यक्ति के पास है जो भगवान से जुड़ा होगा. Okay, just I'd like to close today's session. Any other doubts, questions anybody is having, can ask.